As nonprofits across the Bay Area continue to reimagine their work due to COVID-19, Boys and Girls Club employees in Contra Costa County have rolled out a
Hey there, everybody.
Hey, everyone.
Hi, y'all. Welcome back.
Hello.
We have a lot to discuss as it has been a very long, challenging year.
Families are struggling to find solutions to help them learn in front of a computer.
Students, teachers, and parents had to face the grim reality.
The Boys and Girls Clubs of Contra Costa stepped up and stepped in to help fill voids wherever possible.
Director of Programs Kirsten Faulkner says they're providing project-in-a-box deliveries as a hands-on way to bring the club to a child's home, everything from science to art to sports programs.
Thank you for my pep talk and my school surprise. I'm thankful.
Meanwhile, several miles away in El Sobrante, the Boys and Girls Club was giving away 100 turkeys to needy families. Drive up, open trunk, receive a Thanksgiving meal.
Now think about the impact on our youth. The after-school movement and out-of-school time can no longer be an afterthought.
Right now, we are working to reopen our clubhouses safely. We currently have 2 sites serving kids, and that will increase to 6 sites over the summer.
2 of our summer sites will be 2 totally new communities for us, the Monument Corridor in Concord and the city of Anaheim.
We have taken the time during shelter in place to make critically needed renovations to our Martinez Clubhouse. Today, I'm excited to report we are on track to fully reopen our Martinez Clubhouse in fall 2021 with brand new bathrooms, kitchen, and gym.
We are strengthening partnerships, working with organizations like Rosie's Girls, Rise Up Against Racism, and the Food Bank of Contra Costa and Solana to provide more services to our kids and families.
To choose one, it would be Jasper's The Cooking Class.
Con este programa porque les ha ayudado a implementar nuevas actividades en las casas. Es un tiempo de calidad para ellos donde aprenden cosas nuevas y me gusta mucho este programa porque aparte de ser educativo le enseñan a ser independientes.
I just wanted to say thank you for everything you've done and supporting us, and the most favorite things about this program is that you guys support us a lot and you guys care about us.